back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Today I'm here to announce the winner of my subscriber giveaway. I wanted to do it now because, as you can see, I have cakes in front of me. My grandson Aaron's turning 13 on May 16th, and they're having a big party Friday night for him and one of his classmates. And I have been elected to make maybe 100 cake pops, so I have to get myself started. For those of you that are new to my channel, I try to make baker-friendly recipes. That's what I call baker-friendly. They're things that everybody can make, that you don't need to go to the Culinary Institute to learn how to make these things. And also I like to throw in there some fun videos, maybe vacations or holidays, just to break it up a little bit. Often you might see one of my grandchildren in the videos with me. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below, hit that subscribe button and that bell next to it, and you'll get a notification whenever I have a new video up. And you can always give me a thumbs up and make a comment if you like. I really appreciate all of you. So now, dun, 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 the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm going to put on the screen the name of the winner of my giveaway. The winner is Life with Patty. Congratulations, Patty. I'm going to try to get your gift sent out this week. If you'll be kind enough to go down to the description box under this video, you'll see my Gmail address. Just send me a message with your full name and address of where I can send your gift to, and I will get it out to you as soon as possible. Now, you do have 24 hours from when I post this video to send me a message letting me know that you're acknowledging yourself as the winner with your address. If I don't hear from you, I'll have to move on and pick someone else. So once again, congratulations, Patty. So for now, I better get the heck going. I've got a full day of work ahead of me making these cake pops. I'm not doing a video of the cake pops, but should any of you wish to see me making them another time, let me know. Leave me a comment and I'll be happy to do that. Cake pops are actually one of my favorite things to make. I've made them for so many different occasions. Everybody loves them, both old and young alike. And I remember when I made them when my oldest grandson turned 13 for his party. I walked in with them and they were gone in a flash. So anyway, thank you all for supporting my channel. Once again, congratulations, Patty, and I'll see you all very soon. Toodles!